Want to know how to shoot food content? Use your smartphone. If you're in a budget and don't have the funds yet, don't spend that money on expensive gear. Use what is available to you, your phone. Don't break the bank. Build a body of work, get paid, then little by little invest in gear such as camera or lighting. I'm going to show you guys some samples for what I did with this phone that I'm shooting it right now. Some behind the scenes, some samples that I've done through food videography. And the bottom line, you don't need expensive equipment. Or you might want to just look into buying some used lighting perhaps. There's times you can even shoot just utilizing the sun. So if you have a window that has a nice sun that's projecting, utilize some of that light and then use the soft part of that lighting. You can even use lighting from the outside of the building, outside your home, in the shady area. Or you can use wax paper. If you're out in the sun, put wax paper on the tops to diffuse the lighting. Then you can maximize your phone even more with good lighting. Testing it out. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, and roll. Yeah, the thick consistency looks way better in camera. Understanding lighting and utilizing your phone, that content will pop, I guarantee you. Then post it on social media. See what your friends and family think of it. Expand your network. Then start sharing it out there even more. Your work will get recognized. And then your body of work gets bigger and bigger and bigger. If you have any questions or comments, down below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace.